everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the look that we will be doing for today. It is a lot more colorful than my usual looks, which I'm really liking. It did take some time, but definitely worth it. So if you would like to see how I created this look, you can just keep on watching. Excuse the red eyes to the end of the video. It was a long night. So I started off with carving out the brow with some foundation. This is from Gosh Cosmetics. It's pretty high coverage, so instead of using a concealer, I just decided to carve the brow out using the foundation. And using the fluffy side of the brush, I just spread it evenly over the eyelid so that it can be buffed out. I also worked into the inner corner as well as the outside of the eye, so that when you use the foundation, it doesn't have to smudge. Just setting the eye with some translucent powder as well. Starting off with my Zulu palette, I'm just using a yellow eyeshadow. So I'm going to be working in sections, and I'm going to try and keep the separate colors separate, and then just using a smaller brush to fuse them. Using a fluffy brush, this one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm just using to pack on the yellow. Using a different brush, this one is slightly more flat. I'm packing on the green-blue shade and putting it in a shape that I want. Without adding more product, I used a clean brush just to kind of start fusing the green and the yellow together. So this is going to take you a while. Using another clean brush, I'm going in with the blue. So on a slightly smaller area, then we use the green/turquoise. Because you want to make it darker the more you get to the actual lid. Using little patting motions just to pack on the product. And then using my Cover FX white concealer, I'm just going to be doing a bit of a cut crease because you want the center of the inner corner of the eye to be the lightest area. It's painstaking, I know. It takes some time to do a cut crease. Just patting it on and then using some baby powder just to set the concealer with. And then you're also just going over that lighter area with a slight shimmery shade. And then blending the outside of the blue halfway onto the lid. So this look is literally all just about fusing all the colors together. And using my gel liner from MAC, this one is called Black Track, and I'm using the MAC 210 brush. Just to kind of line the lashes so that when I do lash extensions on it, it won't look funny. I'm using my Pink Cosmetics face oil, just putting some moisture into the skin. And then my Gosh foundation, I used way too much. That's why my face was so pale, and I think I've been tanning, so it might not match me as well anymore. Yeah, that's the moment I realized I messed up, but we're way too far in to stop. Using a really dark foundation, I decided to try and compensate for how light my foundation was, but I pretty soon realized that I was just making a mess. Yep, that was the moment. Then just buffing it in. Yeah, I'm Melissa. No judgment, guys. I'm still learning. Or am I? Just using a flat brush. This one is a cheap brush from Discount. It has a flat base. So just using it to buff the product into my skin. Yeah, this was definitely an interesting look. And then just doing some baking, setting the areas, carving out the cheekbones. I just used some translucent powder for this as well. Then going back to my Zulu palette, I just picked up the pink, did the bottom lash line. I feel like these colors just all work together. And then I started using the NYX Bright Liners. I've been really liking them the last couple of weeks. They add like the nicest pop of color. Firstly doing some blue on the bottom lash line. And then moving on to the blue liner. This is just a navy liner. I just did a tight line on the waterline. Just gonna, instead of making the eye look smaller, it's just gonna make it look brighter and pick up in the blue in my own eyes. These are so much fun, and you can use them for body painting as well. Favorite mascara, going to Princess Mascara from Essence. I've been using my highlighter palette from MAC. I use the top shade. It's like a slightly pinky nude shade. All the highest points of the face. Yo, I should have blended that blush. But let's just say this was a creative look. Avant-garde. There we go. Cheekbones. I did do on my forehead as well. And then I used this shade is actually called Natural from NYX. I really do like NYX's liners. They last long and I feel that there's such a wide color range that it just works. Then I started applying lashes in sections, did the little singles on the bottom and bigger clusters on the top. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video fun or helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. Bye, dankie. So let me know down in the comments what color combination you would like to see next. I'm using comments from YouTube and Instagram posts to see which ones I should do next. So if there is a color that you feel like you would like some interesting inspiration on, let me know. I'll figure it out and do a video for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.